Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to start computer class. You can take out a computer book. Chapter 4. Today we are going to do chapter 4. In chapter 4 you can see fun with TUXPEN. You can see page number 39. In page number 39 you can see there fun with TUXPEN. Fun with TUXPEN. Learning objective. Children will be able to learn about the features and advantage of TUXPEN. So as we all know, we have done MS Pen, right? So now we are going to learn about TUXPEN also, okay? Now TUXPEN. TUXPEN is a drawing process for kids. It is easy to use. It has sound effect also. So TUXPEN is easy to use and it has sound effect also. In TUXPEN you have sound effect also. You can use sound effect also. Okay. Features of TUXPEN. It can be downloaded and used free or cost. So you can download TUXPEN and you can use in a free of cost. The drawing mascot at the end of the Tux window helps one to know better about the software. So the drawing of mascot at the end of Tux windows helps you to know about the software also, okay. The large variety of tools present in the Tux tools box helps the children to give an enhanced look and create highly creative designs also. So in TUXPEN, in a large variety of tools there are, you can see in Tux toolbox. So children, you can also create many designs also. Now one may even added a stamp once they are through their drawing. So you can add stamps also. Tux also gives background sound. So in background also TUXPEN gives you sound effects on selecting the tools. When you select the tools, TUXPEN give you a sound effects for the background also, okay. The image are saved directly as thumbnails. So when you save the image, it will be directly saved as thumbnails, okay. Now opening TUXPEN. How to open TUXPEN? Today we are going to learn. You have to follow the step. Step 1, click on the start button. You have to click on a start button. Step 2, click on all programs. You have to go. Second step, all programs. Third step, TUXPEN. You have to choose TUXPEN. Here is this example in your book. So on opening the TUXPEN, you see the welcome screen followed by the first TUXPEN window. So when you open the TUXPEN, when you will click the TUXPEN, you will see on your screen this is a TUXPEN windows, okay. Now this is a drawing area, this is a toolbar, color box, help area, and this is a selectors also, okay. Now tools, brushes and color box is there. And this is a drawing area. Now components of TUXPEN. Toolbar, it contains different tools. In toolbar there are so many, there are different types of tools. Selectors, it shows different symbols depending on the select in the toolbar. So in a selector you can choose any symbols like arrow, like triangle, like star, rectangle. So you can choose any toolbar, any symbols, okay. Color box. Color box, it is used to select color. You can see it is used to select. When you will draw any drawing, you can select and you can color the flowers also, okay. Now drawing canvas. It is the white area of the screen. It is the white area of the screen to create your drawing. So you can draw in the drawing canvas, okay, in a drawing area. Help area. This is a help area. Now it provides tip and other information. In help area there is some tip and information about drawing canvas, okay. Now the toolbar. So the toolbar of the TUXPEN has different tools. Let us learn about new tools, magic tools and stamp tool. So in toolbar there are so many different types of toolbar. You can see new tool, magic tool and stamp tool. Now we are going to learn. You can see stamp tool, magic tool and new tool. You can see the pictures also. Now in next page, inserting a drawing. How to insert a drawing? You can see, to insert a drawing, follow the following step. Step 1, click on a new tool from the toolbar. So you have to click on a new tool and you will click on, when you will click on a new tool, you will click on down button. You have to click on down button, and third step, select the pictures of your choice. So you have to select the pictures. For example, you are selecting fish. Okay, you have selected fish. So step first, click on the open button. The pictures appears on the drawing. You will click on the open button and your pictures will be appear like this. Okay. Now coloring a drawing. How to color a drawing? Now this is a color box. I have told you already. After you have inserted your drawing, you can fill with color, fill colors, and it just has you colors using color crayon. Still fill colors in the drawing. Follow the following step. To fill the color, to fill the drawing, how you will do? Step 1, click on a magic tool from the toolbar. You have to click on a magic tool. These are the pictures of stamp tool, magic tool and new tool. Now step 2, step 2, select fill effect from the selector. You have to select fill effect from the selector. Okay. Now step 3, you have in your book there is step wise, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. You can practice at your home also. Okay. From the book, you can see from your book how ToxPaint you can open. So how you can insert the pictures from the ToxPaint. So you can see step 3, select the color of your choice from the color box. You can select of your choice any color and click inside the area to fill the color. So you have to click inside the area when you are filling the color. Okay. Now in next page, using the paint tool. You can see using the paint tool. So just like a brush tool is in MS Paint, paint tool in ToxPaint is used to draw freehand drawing. So just like MS Paint, we can say brush tool, we can draw in free-handed drawing. Like so in ToxPaint also you can use to draw free-handed drawing for a brush from a brush tool. And images using various brushes, colors are chosen from the color plate. You can choose color from the color plate also. For example, if you want to draw a flower with ToxPaint, follow the following steps. So for example, you want to draw a flower, you can follow the step. Step 1, select the paint tool. You have to first select the paint tool. In toolbox, you have to select the paint tool and bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. So you have to bring the mouse in a drawing area. Now step 2, hold the left mouse button, draw down and draw a circle. You have to hold the mouse in a left mouse button. You have to click left button and down and draw a circle. You can draw a circle. Okay, like this. This is the arrow. You can see. Now you are drawing a circle. Okay. You have to hold a mouse in a mouse pointer to draw an area. Okay. You have to practice how to hold mouse also. Okay. Now step 3. Now draw the petals. You can draw the petals also like this. Now the text tool. You can insert text also in your drawing. Just like MS Paint, ToxPaint lets you add text to your drawing using the ABC text. So in a MS Paint you can add text also. So in ToxPaint also you can add text also. How? You can go on ABC text tool. Okay. ToxPaint automatically adjusts the text box according to the text you type in it. So you can go on a ABC text tool. To use the text tool, follow the following step. Now, how to use text tool? You have to follow the steps. Step 1, select the ABC tool and bring the pointer to the drawing area. You have to select first ABC. You can see in the pictures also ABC is given here, and you have to select the ABC text tool. Step 2, choose from the various text fonts from the sub tools. So you can choose any from the sub tools also. Now step 3, click in the drawing area and type the desired text. You can click here in the drawing area and you can write anything. Okay. Now step 5, press enter key to make border of the text box disappear. So you have to click enter key to make border and to of the text box disappear like this. So this is the things, these are the features, these are the how you can text in your computer of a you can, when you will go on a TalkSpan, how you will type in a TalkSpan. There are some examples you can practice at your home. Now stamp tool. What is stamp tool? The stamp, this is the tool, stamp tool. The stamp tool is like a sticker. Stamp tool is, you can see in a picture, is like a sticker like this. Okay. Now it is used to paste ready-made images on the drawing canvas. You can choose the desired stamp for the sub tool box. One can even choose to use the mirror image of the stamp using the mirror option. So in a stamp tool you can choose any stamp. You can see, even you can choose mirror box, mirror image of the stamp using the mirror option. You can choose mirror image. You can see in a book also this is a mirror image. You can choose also. Now the slope bar helps one set the size of the stamp tool. So this is the slope bar. Okay, this is the slope bar. You can see in your book, slope bar helps you to set a stamp size. Okay. Now the line tool. What is line tool? We all know line tool means to use a drawing on a straight line. When you want to draw a straight line, you will go on a line tool. Okay. Step 1, click on the line button on toolbar. Step 2, select the different size of the line from the selector. So you have to go on a tools, and when you will go on a tools, you have to select the different size of a line from the selectors and select the color from the color petal as same as color drawing. So click and hold left mouse button and draw a line in the drawing area. So you have to click on from a mouse left button, you will click like this and you will line like this, straight line. When you want to draw a straight line, you can draw like this. Okay. Now the shape tool. The shape tools is used to draw filled and unfilled shape tools. When you will click on the shapes tool, the selector shows different types of shapes. So in shape tools, you will fill and unfill the shapes also. So you can see shapes. You can, for example, you can fill shapes also. This is the shape slide. So in a shapes tool, you can fill and unfill the drawing. When you will click on the shape tool, the selector shows different types of tools. So the selector shows you the different types of tools. When you want to select rectangle or a triangle, it will be appear here. Okay. So how you will appear here? Step 1, click on the shape tool from the toolbar. You have to go on a toolbar and you will go click on a shape tool from a toolbar. Choose the shapes of your choice from the selector. So when you will open tools bar, you will see selector. You have to choose shapes from a selector. Now choose the color from the color box. You have to choose color also. When you will select this and you will choose also color. Click and drag the mouse to stretch the shapes out and leave the mouse button to get the shape drawn. So you have to drag the mouse and stretch the mouse. to trace the shape out and leave the mouse button to get the shape drawn. Okay. Now the magic tool. What is magic tool? You can see the magic tool is to set up special effects. When you select magic tools from the toolbar, the selector shows different magic effect. So the magic tool is the set of special effect. In a magic tool you can see special effects. When you select magic tool from the toolbar, the selector shows different magic effect. When you will select the magic tool from the toolbar, the magic tool will be shows you a different magic effects. Okay. Use up and down buttons to choose any effect. Then depending on the effects, either drag around the pictures or simply click the pictures once. To apply the effect, you can also hear different sounds. So in magic tools also you can hear different sounds also. Okay. Now you can see you have already used the fill magic effect to fill colors in our pictures. Let us learn to use some magic effect. Now you can let us learn to use some magic effect. You can try this at your home also. Okay, how to use magic tools. Now breaks. There are two types of breaks effect. Just click the type you want, drag in the drawing canvas. There are two types of breaks. Okay, you can click in you can select any bricks and you can type just like the type you want to drag in the drawing effect. So for example, you want to drag this bricks. Okay. Now you can see there are the magic tools, and first you have to go on a toolbar and you will see magic tool. So in a magic tool there are different magic effects and you can see the sounds also. Okay. Now flowers. Use the effect to draw colorful flowers. Choose the colors and drag or just click in the drawing canvas. So you have to you have to use the effect on a drawing colorful flowers, and you can color the flowers also like this. For example, you will click red and the whole flowers will be red. Okay, in a drawing canvas. So just like grass also, use this effect to the draw grass. Click or drag the drawing canvas. You have to click and drag the drawing canvas. Okay. Now rails and rainbows are also like this only. Okay. Now use of the sub toolbox. The sub toolbox has options of brush, shapes and special effects. It presents on the right hand side with more than 50 options. In a sub toolbox you can see with more than 50 options are there hand side. Using the Haz brush shapes. Haz brush shapes is basically used to draw things that are far off. To use the Haz brush, follow the following steps. So you have to use, when you want to use Haz brush, so you have to follow the steps. Step 1, select the pen tool. Step 2, select the smallest brush from the sub tool box. You have to select the smallest box from the sub tool box. Now draw a tree. You can draw a tree. First you have to go on a pen tool and you will select the smallest brush from the toolbox, sub toolbox, and you can draw like this. Step 4, now select the Haz brush shape. You have to select colors from the brown color to draw small mountains at the back of the tree. You can color like this. And now different patterns brush shapes. There are different patterns of brush shapes. You can see stars, triangle, rectangle. So you can see the pictures, circle are there. So there are different pattern brush shapes. One can find innovative and creative patterns in ToxPen which can be used to create beautiful images. to use the pattern brush shapes, follow the following step. So you want to use this pattern, how you will use? There are some steps. Step 1, you have to go on you will select the pen tool. Step 2, select any desired pattern that you would like to draw. For example, you want to select star. So you can select star and it will appear here. Now move the pointer to the drawing area and start creating patterns. So you have to move for 1, 2, 3. There are some stars like this. Okay. So it will be appear in your drawing area. For example, the cat and the squirrel are painted in a running positions in the Turk's pen drawing area. So there are squirrel and cat, they are running. So they are in the positions in the Turk's pen. There are some examples also. Okay. So you have to go on a different pattern of brush shapes. Okay. Now saving the file. Now you want to save the pictures. How you will save? You can store the drawing that you have made in your computer so that you can see it later. So obviously we have saved MS, we have learned in MS Paint also how to save, right? Now to save a file, follow the following step. Step 1, click on save tool. A dialog box appear here. We all know that a dialog box appear here. Step 2, click on the desired option and yes or no. So you have to click on yes and a desired option. If you click yes, the image will be saved as a thumbnail in a Turk's pen. So in a Turk's pen, if you will click yes button, it will be saved as a thumbnail. Okay. Now how to open the saving file? How you will open? So you have to follow the step. Select the open tool from the toolbar. We have to select from the toolbar. Now a list of the saved pictures will be shown. There are some pictures. It will be shown like this. Now step 3, just double click to open the desired file. You have to click double click like this. The desired file will be open. The desired picture will be open. Okay. The file will open in the Turk's pen. So we have finished the chapter. How to open Turk's pen, how to save Turk's pen, how to draw in Turk's pen. So we have learned. Now we are going to do exercise work. You can see, tick the correct option. Which of the following is used to save image? Save tool. And which of the following tool is used to existing image? Open tool. Which of the following tool is used to draw straight pattern line? So line tool, when we want to draw a straight line, we will choose line tool. Which of the following tool is used to draw freehand sketch? Brush tool. Which of the following tool is used to create pattern? So to create a pattern, we will choose pattern tool. So this is your homework. You can do this in your copy, exercise A and B. In exercise B, to draw a freehand sketch, you will choose brush tool. Okay. So B, question number 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do by yourself. Match the column. Adding text is ABC tool. ABC text tool. You will go on a ABC text tool when you want to text anything. Adding pattern tool. Adding block effect, block tool. Open an existing image, open tool. And pointer turns to image wand. So magic tool. So this is the homework. You can do this in your copy, exercise A, B and C, D. So here are the given some jumble word. Write them in a correct word. I will give you one example. This is a jumble word. You have to solve the jumbles. T-U-X, Turk's paint. Turk's paint. Okay, like this. You will solve the jumble word. Now, this is also your homework. Exercise D, exercise E. So, we have finished the chapter 4. Now, revise the chapter and do this in your copy. Exercise A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so for today, this much. Thank you. Have a good day.